morning, everybody. So for breakfast today, we are making chocolate spinach muffins.
Chocolate muffins.
Yep. So first, we need to start with 3 bananas.
Yep.
So peel your banana.
I want to peel this one.
Peel it.
But can you scald it? I got mine. Open.
Here you go.
I want it.
We need 2 handfuls of spinach.
Now are you gonna put the banana in?
Yep.
Okay. Look, I'm doing the whole peel.
Thank you.
Let's put mine in 3.
It's okay.
I'm
It
gonna
doesn't have to be split.
Yes.
Thank you. Can you put this one in the trash too, please? You want to put all of the muffin tins in there?
Yeah. Let me do it.
Make sure there's only 1. 3 tablespoons of milk. You can use almond milk. You can use oat milk. You can use cow's milk. I have a little bit of cow's milk I'm going to use up. 3 tablespoons. And then 1 egg.
Let's look how big it is.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, it is big. Yeah, it's not big. It's not big. Yeah. Now we're blend it up. Yeah, and the blend.
Now we're going to blend this up. So the recipe calls for a 1/2 cup of sugar. I'm going to split that in half because I don't feel like we need a 1/2 cup of sugar in our muffins. So I'm going to do a 1/4 cup. You can also use honey. You can use maple syrup.
Right there.
1 teaspoon of vanilla. 3 tablespoons of oil. What are you doing? Give me a hug. Just a minute.
I can't reach.
No.
Ow.
What's wrong? Sorry. Sorry. I preheated the oven at 350 degrees. Half a cup of yogurt. This is a 1/4 cup, so I'm going to do 2. There's Now we're going to blend that. Now we're going to add this into a large bowl.
That's a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Now we need 3 cups of flour. I have wheat flour.
Can I put it in?
Yes.
But I never get the juice.
We have 3 cups. You get to help too.
Hunter, you get 2 cups. I get 1. Okay?
Here.
No.
1 cup.
You get 2.
That's very nice of you, Cadence. Cadence is letting you have 2 turns. Okay. What do you tell Cadence?
Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay, there's 2. Now we need 1 more. Okay, 3 cups. Got it?
I get 3
Careful.
cups. Can't you get 3 cups?
Okay. We need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. There you go. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 2/3 cup of cocoa powder.
Hunter will pour it.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Cadence.
You guys are so nice.
Yeah, I like that. Do it.
He was saying thank you since it's his turn.
Thank you.
1/3 cup of cocoa powder.
You're so nice, Cadence. Now can I stir it?
And we're gonna very slowly whisk it up. Very slowly.
Okay.
Slowly.
I wanna whisk.
Hold on. Okay, now it's Hunter's turn.
Yes.
Yep. Slowly. Okay, all right. Yep, we're making a mess. You want to go slow, like this. Go slow. We're trying to get it all that chocolate mixed in, and all the flour in the bottom. All right, now we're going to slowly add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and fold it in.
That's a lot.
Ooh, there's a banana peel in there. Why is this so chunky? What did we forget?
Chocolate chips.
Oh, we got everything that we need.
But you
Should
forgot
be
chocolate
wetter.
chips in there. Oh.
Super thick.
It smells like chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Cause it is chocolate.
We're gonna put this in the oven for about 18 to 20 minutes. All right, there are our muffins. They are all done. I hope y'all enjoyed. Have a wonderful day.